at the town. We got to send that over to our chief meteorologist, Brett Anthony. Brett, how hot is it?
It was 105 today. So easily the hottest day so far this week, hottest day since Saturday. Of course, Saturday, that was a record high, but 105 today, that makes 8 consecutive 100-degree days. 11 now above average here in the first 12 days of the month. Heat advisory already in effect tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 7. Why? Heat index values above 105. And again, the impacts are heat and humidity can cause heat illness. Please be careful. Look at this surface map. We got 105 at Henderson, Tyler, Athens at 104, Groveton at 105, Lufkin's at 103. Upper 90s, Linden, Jefferson, and Marshall. Despite a northeast wind, we have a northeast wind here, which typically brings in less humidity and cooler temperatures, and it just isn't happening right now because the whole southern and central plains baking under this big upper level ridge and hot weather in place. This frontal boundary here does offer just a slight little bit for hope for relief tomorrow late afternoon. But right now, not much going on, just a few scattered showers over central Texas out toward the Big Bend, and that is it. Meantime, clear skies here in East Texas, and overnight lows tonight are going to be sultry, steamy. Oh, it reads like a good romance novel, doesn't it? 80 for the low tonight in Jacksonville, 79 in Tyler, 75 Mineola and Gilmer at 74. Deep East Texas, upper 70s. And tomorrow, just another hot day. At noon, it's already 98 degrees, feels like 106. As we get into the heat of the afternoon, some of these numbers go into excessive heat warning criteria. We will see if we are upgraded to an excessive heat warning tomorrow. I would tune in at 5 a.m., check in with Chandler Jordan to make sure the National Weather Service hasn't boosted us. I could see that happening. And then late in the afternoon, with the temperature falling back to about 108, and that feels like temperature, we've got a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Let me show you where they're coming from. This is Future Skycast tomorrow afternoon, 4 o'clock. Watch right in here. We get a few scattered showers that develop, move down toward Interstate 20. They do fade away after sunset. And then Thursday morning, there's another wave that moves over Deep East Texas. So we got a couple of chances. I think Deep East Texas has the better chance to see more rainfall. Friday, that's the day where highs could fall back into the upper 90s to around 100 degrees instead of 105. Future rainfall going through the next, say, 24 to 48 hours. Hey, we could pick up a half-inch of rain in a downpour in Tyler, but you can see those heavier amounts over Deep East Texas. Meantime, the Gulf Coast, you're getting anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. And why? Because we have this disorganized area of thunderstorms just between Destin and New Orleans. That is forecast to drift to the west, not become a storm at this point. Just a 20% chance of that happening. It stays offshore, but it latches the Gulf Coast with quite a bit of rain. Here's the Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. So tomorrow's a sunny morning, then hot, up to 104 for the high. Late day thunderstorms can't be ruled out. Right now it sits at about a 30% chance. 40% chance of rain on Thursday with isolated storms mainly over Deep East Texas. It's hazy, hot, humid Friday. Sunny on Saturday, hot and unsettled Sunday. And maybe by next Monday, the weather pattern turns just a little bit to offer up a slightly better chance of rain. Other than that, it's still hot and humid right through Tuesday.